When designing a home that truly reflects strength, tradition, and timeless elegance, the main entrance door plays one of the most important roles. It is not just a functional element, it becomes the identity of the house. In this design, we are looking at a beautifully crafted double wooden entrance door that perfectly balances heritage aesthetics with modern precision. The first thing that stands out in this door is the rich rosewood finish. Rosewood has always been associated with luxury and durability. Its deep tone immediately gives a bold and premium presence to the entrance. Unlike lighter woods, rosewood creates a strong visual impact, making the doorway look more grounded and powerful. As you observe closely, the CNC carving work brings this door to life. Instead of using floral patterns, this design focuses on structured and symmetrical elements. Square motifs are repeated across the panels, creating a rhythmic pattern that feels both traditional and modern at the same time. These geometric carvings are not just decorative, they add depth and dimension, making the door visually engaging from every angle. The symmetry of the double shutters is another key highlight. Both panels are designed to mirror each other perfectly, ensuring that when the door is closed, it appears as one continuous masterpiece. This kind of alignment requires precision and careful planning, especially when working with detailed carvings. The temple-style borders add a subtle cultural influence to the design. These borders frame the door panels beautifully, giving it a defined structure while enhancing the traditional feel. The carvings along the borders are clean and repetitive, maintaining consistency throughout the design without making it look overcrowded. One of the most important aspects of this door is the depth of the carving. CNC technology allows for controlled cutting, which creates layers within the wood. Some sections are slightly recessed, while others are raised. This variation in depth creates natural shadows, especially when light falls on the surface. These shadows enhance the overall richness of the design and give it a premium 3D appearance. The choice of brass handles complements the rosewood perfectly. Brass, with its warm golden tone, adds a touch of elegance and contrast against the darker wood. The handles are not just functional, they act as a design element that enhances the overall look of the door. Their placement at the center ensures both balance and ease of use. When it comes to usability, double doors like this provide a wide and comfortable entry space. This is especially useful for homes that prioritize both aesthetics and practicality. The 5 feet width and 7 feet height proportion ensures that the door looks grand without being overwhelming. Another subtle but important detail in this design is the vertical engraving of Sanjesh construction. Instead of placing the branding in a bold or distracting way, it is carefully integrated into the right panel border strip. This approach maintains the elegance of the design while still allowing the identity to be present. It feels like a natural extension of the carving rather than an added element. Lighting plays a crucial role in how this door is perceived. Warm lighting enhances the natural tones of the rosewood and highlights the carved patterns. When light hits the raised sections, it creates highlights, while the recessed areas remain slightly darker. This contrast brings out the detailing and makes the door look more dynamic. The finishing of the wood is equally important. A smooth and well-polished surface not only improves the appearance, but also protects the wood from external elements. Proper finishing ensures that the door maintains its beauty for years without losing its natural texture. Maintenance is another factor to consider. High-quality wood like rosewood requires minimal upkeep, but periodic polishing helps retain its shine and strength. Keeping the surface clean and protected ensures that the carvings remain sharp and visually appealing over time. Security is also an essential aspect of any main door. Solid wood construction provides natural strength, making the door durable and reliable. Combined with high-quality locking systems, it ensures both safety and peace of mind. What makes this design truly special is its ability to blend tradition with modern techniques. While the patterns are inspired by classic Indian architecture, the precision of CNC carving brings a contemporary finish. This combination makes the door suitable for a wide range of home styles. Customization is where homeowners can bring their personal touch. While this design follows a structured pattern, it can be adapted in various ways, changing the depth of carving, adjusting the panel layout, or modifying the finish tone. These small changes can create a completely unique look while maintaining the core design. The proportions of the door also play a significant role in its overall impact. A well-proportioned double door ensures that the design looks balanced and visually pleasing. The 5:7 ratio used here is ideal for achieving a grand yet comfortable entrance. Another important detail is the alignment of the patterns at the center joint. When both shutters meet, the design should continue seamlessly. This continuity is what transforms the door into a single unified piece rather than two separate panels. As you continue to observe this design, notice how each element contributes to the overall composition. The wood type, carving style, handle design, and finishing all work together to create a cohesive look. Removing or altering any one of these elements can change the entire feel of the door. In modern homes, there is a growing preference for designs that are both elegant and practical. This door achieves that balance by combining strong materials with refined detailing. It does not rely on excessive decoration, but instead focuses on precision and proportion. The absence of floral patterns makes the design more versatile. Geometric and structured carvings tend to age better and suit a wider range of architectural styles. This ensures that the door remains relevant even as design trends evolve. At Sanjesh Construction, the goal is always to deliver designs that stand the test of time. By focusing on quality materials, precise execution, and thoughtful design, each project is crafted to meet both aesthetic and functional needs. Choosing the right main door is a significant decision. It is something that will be used every day and seen by everyone who enters the home. Investing in a well-designed door like this not only enhances the visual appeal, but also adds long-term value to the property. As you plan your own entrance, take inspiration from designs like this. Focus on what suits your space, your style, and your overall vision. Whether you prefer bold and traditional or clean and modern, the key is to create something that feels right for your home. As we move further into understanding what makes a main door truly stand out, it's important to look at how consistency in design creates a lasting visual impact. A well-designed door is not just about individual elements. It's about how everything comes together in harmony. One detail that often goes unnoticed is the spacing between carved patterns. In high-quality CNC work, spacing is never random. Each square motif, each border, and each panel is carefully measured to maintain balance across the entire surface. This precision ensures that the design feels organized and visually satisfying rather than crowded or uneven. Another aspect to consider is how the door interacts with natural light throughout the day. In the morning, softer light gently highlights the surface, bringing out subtle details in the carving. As the day progresses, stronger light creates sharper shadows, emphasizing the depth and structure of the design. By evening, artificial lighting adds warmth and enhances the richness of the wood tone. This changing interaction makes the door visually dynamic at all times. The tactile experience of the door is equally important. When someone touches the surface, they should feel the smoothness of the finish along with the depth of the carvings. A well-crafted door offers not just visual beauty, but also a sense of quality through touch. This is something that instantly communicates craftsmanship and attention to detail. Durability is another major advantage of using high-quality materials like rosewood. Over time, cheaper materials may fade, crack, or lose their appeal. But a well-finished hardwood door maintains its strength and appearance for years. This makes it a long-term investment rather than just a design choice. You will also notice how the structured CNC patterns give the door a timeless quality. Unlike trendy designs that may go out of style quickly, geometric and temple-inspired patterns have a lasting appeal. They remain relevant across different architectural styles, whether the home is traditional, modern, or a blend of both. Another important factor is installation. Even the best designed door can lose its impact if not installed properly. Alignment, leveling, and fitting must be done with precision to ensure that both shutters close perfectly and operate smoothly. Proper installation also prevents long-term issues like gaps, misalignment, or uneven wear. Ventilation and environmental factors should also be considered while designing main doors. Depending on the location and climate, the wood should be treated and finished in a way that resists moisture, heat, and seasonal changes. This ensures that the door remains stable and durable over time. From a design perspective, less is often more. Instead of overloading the door with too many elements, focusing on a few well-executed details creates a more refined and premium look.